Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Wow, this is the season of creation. You are feeling good, eh? That's nice. Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight. Just eat. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Every day should be a season of creation when we connect with nature. I'm feeding these chickens not just because they will make delicious meat for the convent pot, but because they are our friends. God created them, and of course, they are also useful to us. Don't fight to eat. Have enough. Okay? Good. Eat to your fill. Stay fine. You eat too much. Okay, yeah, take more. That's okay. Yeah, enjoy yourselves. Chicken. Enjoy yourselves. See them. Lovely creatures of God. Cuckoo! 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 Chickens, do you people have any other work apart from eating? Hmm? What work do you do apart from eating? See, now you are even eating a pawpaw back. You are enjoying, no? Oh. Cuckoo! Enjoy yourself, Jerry. Yeah, call that one. Come and cheat. Come and eat. Come. You know, see, they follow me. Food has finished too. Go back where you are now. Go back to your houses. Go back. Food has finished. Stop following me. Let me go and do other things. I want to go and take care of other creatures of God during this season of creation. Bye-bye, chicken. Bye-bye. Cuckoo! Cuckoo!